Hi guys, welcome to lesson 13 of the second grade worksheet, and let's start with time relationships. Time relationships chart. There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 7 days in 1 week. There are 12 months in 1 year. There are 24 hours in 1 day. There are 28, 30, or 31 days in 1 month. And there are 52 weeks in 1 year. You guys are going to have to memorize these, so just make sure to look back at it once in a while so you can memorize it. And it says write more than, less than, or the same as for each sentence. Example, she was on the plane for 3 hours. This is less than 1 day. It's less than 1 day because if you look up here, there are 24 hours in 1 day. And this was only 3, so it's obviously less than 1 day. Let's try number 1. Petra went to live with her grandparents for 1 year. This is the blank as 52 weeks. So if we look here, it says there are 52 weeks in 1 year. And it said 1 year, 52 weeks. So you will write, this is the same as. Let's try the next page. Time relationships continued. Let's try number 2. Amy was on the plane for 30 hours. This is blank, then 1 day. So remember, if you need help, you can go look back at the chart from the first page. But 1 day, there is 24 hours. And this is 30, so this is more than 1 day. Let's try number 4. Chloe went home after 12 months. This is blank than 1 year. So 1 year has 12 months. So this is the same as 1 year. And you guys can pause the video and you can try it yourself, or you can go pause the video and look at the chart from before and you can try yourself like that, or you can wait for me and do it together. Let's try number 6. Nathan plays ball after school for every day for 4 straight days. This is blank than 1 week. How many days are in 1 week? There are 7 days, and this was only 4 days, so this is less than 1 week. Now let's try 8. Anna plays tennis for 1 hour. This is blank than 60 minutes. So in 1 hour, there are how many minutes? There are 60 minutes, so this is the same as. All right, next page. It says, ordering time. Put in order from shortest to longest. Example, 24 months, 1 year, and 54 weeks. Now you have to reorder this into the smallest amount of time and the greatest amount of time. So let's see. This is 1 year, and in 1 year, there's 52 weeks. So if it's 54 weeks, it's more than a year. And in 1 year, there's 12 months, and this is 24 months, which is double a year. So as it's going right, it's getting bigger. Let's try number 1. 50 weeks, 13 months, and 1 year. So 1 year is a year, and 13 months is over a year, and 50 weeks is less than a year, because to be 1 year, you would need 52 weeks, but this is 50, so that would be the least. 50 weeks. And the next would be 1 year. And the next would be 13 months, because there's only 12 months in a year, so 13 months would be more than a year. All right, let's try number 3. We have 1 month, 7 weeks, and 32 days. So 7 weeks is over a month, and 32 days is also over a month. So the 1 month would be the shortest. Then it would be 32 days. And then 7 weeks. All right, let's do number 4. We have 2 months, 6 weeks, and 64 days. So you guys can try this on your own, and you can pause the video and try to think about it more, but I'll go on and give you guys the answer. So there's 7 days in a week. So if you do 6 weeks plus 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 6 weeks, that would be 42 days. So 6 weeks would be the smallest. And then 64 days is over 2 months, so 2 months would be second. And then 64 days would be the greatest. Okay, last page. Okay, let's try some word problems. Every fall, number 1, every fall Justin plays soccer for 3 months. Is this more than, less than, or the same as 52 weeks? Remember, 52 weeks is the same as 1 year, and 3 months is not 1 year, so it would be less than. Let's try number 3. Sophie wants to stay in Paris for 1 year. How many months does she want to stay there? So let's see if you guys can remember. How many months do you need to make it 1 year? It's 12, so Sophie wants to stay in Paris for 12 months because that is the same as 1 year. Okay, that is it for today. You guys can go back to the video if you guys have any questions or you guys aren't sure with some stuff, and you guys can go back and do the questions we didn't do together on your own, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.